Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting switch that's been making some waves, the Akko x MonsGeek Green Fog switch. This is a collaboration that brings together Akko's known quality in switch manufacturing with MonsGeek's innovative approach, resulting in a switch designed for a specific kind of typing experience. Right off the bat, the Green Fog switch is marketed as a heavy linear switch, and it certainly lives up to that. With an operating force of 60 grams, it provides a significant amount of resistance compared to lighter switches. This heavier feel is intended for users who prefer a more deliberate keystroke. The idea is that this strong resistance helps prevent accidental presses or typos, potentially leading to improved typing accuracy, especially for those with a heavier hand. Construction-wise, the Green Fog features a POK stem, which is a material known for its smoothness and durability. It's paired with a PC top cover and a robust PA66 bottom housing. This combination of materials is specifically chosen to influence both the feel and the sound profile of the switch. Speaking of sound, these switches aim for a deep, satisfying thocky sound, particularly when bottoming out. The heavier nature of the switch contributes to this deeper tone. One of the standout features mentioned is the factory pre-lubrication. According to the details, each switch is carefully lubed at the factory. The lubrication is applied to the top cover's 8 reinforcing ribs to ensure smooth actuation throughout the key press. Additionally, the contact leaf's dual legs are treated to help eliminate unwanted noise like leaf ping, which is a common issue in some switches. This factory lube is a big plus for users who don't want to spend time manually lubing their switches. For those who care about aesthetics, the Green Fog switch comes equipped with an LED diffuser. This diffuser is designed to optimize light dispersion from your keyboard's RGB LEDs, resulting in better and more vibrant lighting. It helps create sharper, more defined illumination for your keycap legends, making these switches a great choice if you want both performance and stunning RGB effects. Compatibility is key, and the Green Fog switch uses the standard MX style structure. This means it has the familiar cross stem, making it compatible with the vast majority of keycap sets available on the market. It's also a 5-pin switch, which provides extra stability when mounting it onto a PCB, though it can still be used in 3-pin hot swap boards by clipping the 2 plastic pins. In terms of longevity, these switches are built to last. Laboratory tests indicate an approximate lifespan of 70 million keystrokes, which is a standard but respectable durability rating for mechanical switches. They come packaged in a pack of 45 switches, typically in a plastic tray, to keep them organized and protected. Overall, the Akko x MonsGeek Green Fog switch presents itself as a compelling option for anyone seeking a heavy linear switch with a focus on a deep sound profile, factory lubrication for convenience, and an LED diffuser for enhanced RGB. It's designed for a specific user preference, prioritizing deliberate keystrokes and a satisfying thock.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.